Very beautiful and blissful morning, students. Today we are going to do the GK pages, page number 20 and 21. Here are some beautiful picture. This is the picture of the glacier which is located in the Uttarkashi district, Uttarakhand of India, and it is the primary source of river Ganga. The holy river Ganga is formed by the melting of this glacier. The name of this glacier is Gangotri. Write down the name in first box, Gangotri. The second picture which I am going to show is the picture of the beautiful colored lights in the sky. See, this is a special phenomenon of the appearance of the colored light in the sky, and it occur primarily in the high altitude of the northern hemisphere. Name is borealis. See the beautiful light. This is also called aurora, and the phenomenon name is borealis, and these are specifically present at the high altitude of the northern hemisphere. The next picture is of the volcanic island. The name of the island is Galapagos, and this is the place where large number of the endemic species are present, and world's biggest tortoise is also present here, and UNESCO have given it as a World Heritage Site. The name is Galapagos. The name of the tortoise and the island are same. They share their name. The next picture is of the geyser. What are the natural geyser? Geysers are characterized by the intermittent discharge of the water ejected with the high turbulency, and this is the famous Old Faithful natural geyser present in the Yellowstone National Park in USA. The name is Old Faithful geyser present in Yellowstone National Park of USA. Next is the different kinds of the caves, the special caves which are formed by the deposition of the minerals which will drip from the ceiling of the caves, and there will be the formation of the deposits on the floor. The name is stalagmite. Stalagmite is the special kind of the cave. See, you can see the hanging deposits of the minerals from the ceiling of the cave. The next beautiful picture is of the Bora Bora volcanic island. This is the volcanic island present in the Pacific Ocean, and it is surrounded by the barrier reef and lagoon. Lagoon means the shallow ponds which are surrounded by the shallow ponds, and at its center are located the Twin Peak mountain. So this is Bora Bora. This is the picture of the Great Canyon. Great Canyon are present in the Colorado River in northern Arizona of USA. Write down the name Grand Canyon. Next is this is Cotopaxi. What is Cotopaxi? This is the world's highest continuously active volcanoes, and they are found in the Andes Mountains. The next picture is of the desert. This desert is present in South America, and it is considered as the driest desert of the world. The most dry desert of the world is present in South America, and the name is Atacama. Write down the name Atacama. The next picture is similar to the stalagmite. These are also the special caves which are formed by the mineral deposits that hang from the ceiling of the caves, and the name is stalactite. The next is Titicaca. Titicaca is a place which is located at approximately 3800 meter above the sea level on the border of the Bolivia and the Peru, and it is considered as the world's highest commercially navigable lake. It is the highest lake. Last picture is of Giant Causeway. Giant Causeway is the cluster of the cliffs which is created by the successive flow of the lava. It is a natural wonder of the United Kingdom. This was the page number 20 and 21. Hope you all have written down all the names properly. Till then, bye and do your